I hope you are all doing well. Today, I'm here with a very beautiful, elegant, and modern Mehndi design for all of you. If you also love Mehndi designs that are simple yet look incredibly beautiful and royal, then make sure to watch this video until the end, because in this design you'll see a wonderful combination of floral beauty, fine line work, shading, circles, and modern artistic details. As you can see in the picture, this is a backhand Mehndi design created with great elegance and skill. The most special thing about this design is its balanced appearance. It is neither too heavily filled nor too empty. Instead, every element appears beautifully placed. Now let's understand this design in detail. First, if we look at the center of the hand, there is a large, beautiful flower that acts as the focal point of the entire design. The petals are highlighted with deeper tones, while delicate lines and circular patterns around them create beautiful shading. This shading gives the design a three-dimensional effect, making it appear far more attractive than ordinary Mehndi designs. Along with the central flower, smaller flowers and leaves have been added, giving the entire design a natural appearance. Every leaf has a slightly different shape, preventing repetition and creating a unique beauty. If you notice closely, fine lines are also drawn along the edges of each leaf, showcasing the artist's skill. Now moving toward the fingers, each finger has been designed differently. Some feature circles and line work, others include floral shapes, while some display delicate vines and small leaves. These varied styles give the entire hand a modern and unique look. The thumb also features a very elegant half-flower design surrounded by fine dots and a decorative border. These small details are what make any Mehndi design truly special. Another beautiful feature of this design is its shading technique. If you learn shading, your Mehndi designs can look many times more attractive than regular designs. Shading is always created by combining light and dark tones to add depth. That's why every flower and circle in this design stands out individually. Now let's talk about where this design fits best. This Mehndi design is an excellent choice for almost every occasion. Whether you're applying Mehndi for Eid, attending a wedding, celebrating an engagement, enjoying a bridal shower, or attending a family function, this design will complement every outfit and occasion beautifully. If you are a bride and do not want full bridal Mehndi, this design can still be an excellent choice because it feels elegant and luxurious while remaining simple. Now I'd also like to share a few important tips to help your Mehndi color become darker and richer. First, always use high-quality Mehndi. Fresh Mehndi not only applies more smoothly, but also gives a deeper stain. Second, leave the Mehndi on your hands for at least 6 to 8 hours. If possible, leave it overnight. Third, after the Mehndi dries, apply a light mixture of lemon and sugar so that the Mehndi sticks well to the skin. Fourth, when removing the Mehndi, avoid using water. Instead, gently rub it off by hand. Fifth, apply a light layer of mustard oil or coconut oil after removing the Mehndi. This can help deepen the color further. If you are learning to apply Mehndi yourself, starting with a design like this is ideal because it includes all the basic elements such as flowers, leaves, circles, line work, and shading. Once you practice these elements, more detailed and bridal designs will become much easier in the future. One more important tip: do not rush while creating Mehndi. Draw every line patiently because beauty in Mehndi comes from neatness and balance, not speed. Nowadays, similar Arabic and Indo-Arabic Mehndi designs are becoming extremely popular on social media because they make the hands look beautiful without appearing overly crowded. If you are a Mehndi artist, make sure to show your clients these modern and simple designs because most people today prefer elegant designs that can be completed in less time. Finally, if you liked today's beautiful Mehndi design, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe so you can continue enjoying beautiful, modern, and unique Mehndi designs in future videos. Be sure to tell us in the comments which part of this design you liked the most. Did you love the large flower in the center, the unique finger patterns, or the beautiful shading? Your opinion means a lot to us. Take care of yourselves, stay happy, spread happiness to others, and inshallah, we will meet again in the next video with another beautiful and unique Mehndi design. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I'm here with a very beautiful, elegant, and modern Mehndi design for all of you. If you also love Mehndi designs that are simple yet look incredible,